In this short tutorial, we're going to check out our first ebook through New Hampshire Downloadable Books, a service of your public library and the New Hampshire State Library. So the first thing that I like to do is I like to set my preferences. I'm going to choose to only view books or ebooks. And I also like to set my availability preference to available now and apply the preferences. This will let me see the 8,000 or so available ebook titles that are available for me to check out at this moment. I'm going to scroll down and find something that looks interesting to me. Oh, Cozy Mysteries. Excellent. I'm going to check out Dial Meow for Murder. I can borrow the title. I could change the lending period between 7 days or 14 days. And borrow the title. Excellent. You're going to notice the little circle gets filled in really quickly and a check mark appears denoting that the title is ready for reading. I'm going to open the book. Now, this is a title that is also available to be read on a Kindle app or Kindle device, and I could select that, get connected to the Amazon Marketplace, and send the title directly to my Kindle or Kindle app. But at this time, I'm going to choose Libby. Just note that once you select that the item should go to a Kindle, it is no longer available to be read on Libby, so just choose wisely. I'm going to tap Libby, and there's my book, ready for reading. Now, once we're in the app and reading, we can tell that there's a few things that we can do to make our reading a little bit more pleasant. I can tap in the center of the screen, tap the 3 lines in the upper right-hand corner for settings. I could set a bookmark. I could look at chapters, but most importantly, I can get reading settings. My reading settings allow me to adjust the size of the text according to my needs. I can also set the different backgrounds and even change a font style. Excellent. So I'm done with this and I am up and reading. And remember that if I wanted to get back into the live website, I would tap Library. If I wanted to get back to my shelf, I tap Shelf. And if I'm away from the book, all that I need to do is tap the little center portion again, and I am back reading my book. Well, I hope this has helped you understand how to check out your first ebook with New Hampshire Downloadable Books on the Libby app. Thanks for listening.